Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machine. Today we're testing this Rancilio Silvia, and let's go ahead and make a shot. So we're using a 2-cup basket. The machine had a 1-cup basket in it. I really prefer a 2-cup, but we'll do a test shot with the 1-cup too. So you can see we're getting a great shot of espresso. No leaks. Good pressure. Just missed the cup there a little bit at the end. And okay, so now we put the single cup in, and let's go ahead and pull a shot. And yeah, it's working well. I mean, as well as I would expect it to. Single shots are always harder to pull because of the way the basket is designed. But yeah, this machine is working well. So thank you for watching with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.